In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit links in draw.io for Atlassian, Confluence, and Jira. We'll walk through the process of updating links inside a draw.io diagram that's already embedded in either a Confluence page or a Jira issue. For this example, we'll use Confluence, but the overall workflow is very similar in Jira as well. To begin, open the Confluence page or Jira issue that contains the draw.io diagram where you want to edit a link. Make sure you're on the specific page that already has the diagram inserted, since that's where you'll access the editing tools. Once you're inside the page editor, locate the draw.io diagram you want to work on, click to select the diagram, and you should see a floating toolbar appear near it. On that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open a pop-up window with the draw.io diagram editor directly inside Confluence, allowing you to make changes without leaving the page. Inside the editor, select the object that contains the link you want to update. This could be a shape, a text box, an image, or even a connector line. After selecting the object, right-click on it and choose Edit Link. This opens the link editing pop-up where you can review the current link and replace it if needed. From here, you have a few different linking options. If you want to link to an external website, simply paste the web address into the URL field. If your link should point to a Confluence or Jira attachment, you can search for the file directly from your workspace and attach it from there. You can also use page anchors, which are helpful when you want the link to jump to a specific tab inside the same draw.io diagram or to a particular section on a Confluence page. This can make diagrams much more interactive and easier for viewers to navigate. After you've entered or updated the link, click OK in the Edit Link pop-up to save that change. The pop-up will close and you'll return to the diagram editor. From there, click Publish in the draw.io editor window so your changes are applied back to the Confluence page. And that's all there is to it. Once published, your updated link will be part of the diagram and ready to use. If you're making multiple link changes, it's a good idea to review each clickable object before publishing just to make sure everything points to the right place.